Check out the second visitor to our bird feeder, only this time it's a female Gila woodpecker. Last time was a male, which has a red dot on its head. But these are very beautiful birds. They just seem to grab one treat and then they take off. I would ask that you would please subscribe to my channel, and I can continue to bring these types of things to us bird lovers or people in general that love wildlife. Again, if you would, please subscribe to my channel and leave any comments or suggestions below.